Hey everyone, it's Kim and I'm back with another video response. This time, this one is for RosiePosie Crafts, and she is having a challenge on her channel, and what she asked for was just some lace. So I was like, okay, I'm down with that. So what I did, and that is the lovely Annie over on RosiePosie Crafts. So Annie, what I did for you was I made you a little pocket page album in one of my favorite themes, which is vintage Paris, and not including these glue strings. Sorry about that. So I've made you this little pocket page album, and I have put lots of goodies inside for you. Um, and I made this out of some tea-dyed muslin, and you can just see that underneath there. And then I used this absolutely beautiful curtaining material that I had in my stash. It was a perfect color, and I liked the top of it because I could run some seam binding here. And this is my seam binding that I dyed, and it came out this absolutely beautiful rose gold color. I just adore this color. The seam binding itself was vintage, and it was originally this very strong peach color, but when I dyed it in some of the Dylon dye, it came out this beautiful rose gold color. I couldn't believe it. It's just lovely. So I hope that you like that too, Annie. And I thought it went well with the Paris image that's on the front. And I've also added a handmade flower here with a cameo and a lovely shabby bow here. Vintage doily and lace here, and lovely beaded applique and some beautiful little clay flowers. So I hope that you like that, Annie. And as you can see, it is stuffed pretty full, but I don't want to take anything out because I want Annie to be surprised when she opens it. And I've also made you a few handmade flowers. So that is going to be coming your way soon, Annie, and thank you. I did get your email with your address, so this will be coming your way very soon. And I just want to say thank you for having the challenge, and I'm going to put the link to RosiePosie Crafts in the description box down below. Please go over and check out her challenge and subscribe to her. She's a very lovely lady. It's 1,000 subbies that she's got now, so do go over and support her and show her some YouTube love. And that's it for right now. I'll be back later, guys. Take care, everybody, and bye.